BYD has just launched something that's been the talk of the town globally. Imagine a fully electric car with a starting price of just $7,800. Yes, this isn't a rumor, but a reality. The BYD Seagull. As soon as it hit the market, the auto industry was shaken, and the question swirling everywhere was what technology has BYD used to achieve such a low price, and why is this small car shaking up the entire electric market? Now imagine a car that's both affordable and unmatched in features, considered a family car and a game-changer in terms of technology. Is the BYD Seagull really going to be a headache for big companies like Tesla, or is it just a marketing ploy? This suspense makes the real story even more interesting, so stay tuned as we'll reveal the secrets behind the Seagull, the battery, design, and features that made it so popular and why it's being called a game-changer in the EV industry. But before we continue, subscribe to our channel to be the first to see exciting videos like this. Speaking of the interior, BYD surprised us here too. Usually, affordable cars have basic interiors, but that's not the case with the Seagull. It features a simple yet modern interior design. The digital display, touchscreen infotainment system, and comfortable seating arrangement are its main features. The small cabin has been smartly designed to maximize space utilization, meaning even with limited space, the car feels spacious inside. Now, let's move on to its target audience. The BYD Seagull is clearly aimed at urban buyers and daily commuters. Imagine this car could be the perfect option for a student, a working professional, or a small family. In cities where traffic and parking are a daily challenge, its compact size is very useful. Furthermore, being an EV, the running costs are very low, meaning it saves your budget in the long run. Another strong point of its design is its practical approach. The Seagull is stylish, but not overly fancy. BYD ensured that this car catered to the tastes and needs of ordinary people. Therefore, comfort and usability were given special importance. Its hatchback design also provides good storage space, making it useful for shopping, travel, or family trips. One major reason this car is so popular is that it seems almost impossible to find such a modern car at such an affordable price. But BYD has shown that with smart design and proper planning, it is possible. Today, when people think of electric cars, expensive cars like Tesla come to mind. But the Seagull is changing that mindset. Now people are realizing that EVs aren't just for the wealthy, but can be for everyone. The Seagull's compact yet powerful design is its biggest strength. This car is attracting young people and small families alike. And most importantly, it's not just a car, but a symbol that the future can now be affordable for everyone. Battery and range. Surprise! Just imagine when a company launches an electric car for just $7,800 and equips it with a battery that can compete with even more expensive vehicles. It would seem like a miracle in itself. This is precisely what the BYD Seagull has accomplished. So, people are wondering what battery technology is used in such an affordable car, and, how it offers features like long range and fast charging. Let's unravel this mystery in simple terms. First, let's understand battery technology. BYD has used LFP batteries in this car, which it manufactures under the name Blade battery. This battery is considered BYD's greatest strength. It's not only affordable, but also safe and durable. Even major companies like Tesla are now shifting to LFP batteries because they are cost-efficient and have a significantly lower risk of thermal runaway, explosion, or overheating. The Seagull is equipped with this technology, making it a reliable EV at a low price. Now, let's talk about range. Everyone was wondering how such an affordable car could offer such a high range, but the BYD Seagull has exceeded expectations in this regard as well. The car's battery comes in two options, a 30 kilowatt-hour pack and a 38 kilowatt-hour pack. The smaller pack offers a range of approximately 305 kilometers, while the larger pack offers a range of up to 405 kilometers. Now just imagine if a small urban car designed for daily city driving can travel 300 to 400 kilometers. It's a huge plus for the average person. The Seagull's range isn't just on paper, but is also quite practical in the real world. Most people drive only 30 to 50 kilometers daily, making it possible to go for a week without charging. This is what makes it perfect for middle-class buyers, low cost and high convenience. Now, let's talk about fast charging. The Seagull also offers a fast charging option. BYD claims that the battery can be charged from 30% to 80% in just 30 minutes. This means that if you're on a trip and your battery runs low, you'll have a range of around 200 kilometers in just half an hour. This feature is usually found in expensive EVs, but Seagull has made it available in an affordable car.